Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork de vel. First, begin by cutting about 1 pound of boneless pork into 1-inch cubes. Next, marinate the pork with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper, ensuring it's evenly coated. Then, heat oil in a deep pan and deep fry the pork pieces until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy. Set them aside on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. Now, in a separate pan, using a small amount of the same oil, sauté 1 large sliced onion until it becomes soft and translucent. This forms the aromatic base of our dish. Then, add 2 cloves of minced garlic and about 1 inch of grated fresh ginger, stirring constantly for about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, toss in 2 green chilies, sliced lengthwise, to introduce a gentle heat. Next, it's time to build our flavorful de vel sauce. Add 1/4 cup of tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon of your favorite chili paste to the pan, mixing well. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Continue to cook this mixture for about 2 minutes, allowing the sauce to simmer and thicken slightly, creating a rich and aromatic base for the pork. Finally, bring it all together. Return the crispy fried pork pieces to the pan with the sauce. Add 1 sliced bell pepper, which will add a nice crunch and color, along with 1/4 cup of water to create a little steam. Toss everything gently to ensure the pork and vegetables are thoroughly coated in the delicious de vel sauce. Serve your homemade pork de vel immediately while it's hot and fresh.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.